Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. Today I'm gonna show you how to send money from TapTap to Nepal using your own bank account. To do so, you have to open your TapTap send account from your mobile. As you can see in this home screen, you can select any country you want to send the money here. So as I will send to Nepal, so I'm selecting Nepal. After that, you have to select an amount to send the money. As you can select any currency on the top left corner, so I'm selecting Canada. So I have given here 100 Canadian dollar, which is converting to Nepal, and then you have to select next, and then you will see you have to add a new recipient, so click on it. But if you already have an recipient there, you will get the option under the add recipient. However, now I'm gonna choose bank account option here. After that, you have to give the recipient's detail. As you can see in the form, you have to give the full name, bank name. From here you can select your recipient's bank from this option, or you can just search for the specific bank your recipients have and then give the account number. After that, you have to confirm the account number again. After giving next, you will be bring here to confirm transfer page, so where you can review your amount of transaction money and which bank account you are sending, and then confirm the bank account number. So that's it. This is how you can send money from TapTap to Nepal. So if this video is really helpful to you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel.